Hey guys, I'm Derrick Wilson here. I wanted to show you guys one of the favorite vehicles my customers love because it's just so fun. It's the Honda Ridgeline. If you follow me, I'll show you a couple of key features that probably no other vehicle you've seen has. First, we'll start off here by showing you the back seat that actually doubles as, of course, seating, and we can use it for extra cargo. It actually stands up. What's really cool about this is I'm traveling to the tailgate party and I have something that needs to stand up and I don't have the room in my trunk bed. I can lift this up here and also let this side up here as well. And as easy as that, I can kind of pass through the other side, as you can see, which is very cool. Also, moving on to the tailgate, which is really, this is the eye popper here. It's the double doozer, dual action tailgate, okay? We got your sideways stand here, which I know most of the trucks you've seen don't really have. Also, it drops down from the bottom here, which is pretty common here, right? When I'm tailgating, sometimes I like to just literally tailgate. And also another cool feature here I want to show you is that it has cargo space, which actually doubles as a trunk, as a cooler, okay? As you'll see here, there's a drain plug. So I fill this thing with ice. I throw some cold beverages in there while I'm at my tailgate party. And then once I'm done, I put a drain plug, let all the water out, and I carry on about my trip. You guys chime in. Let me know if you've ever seen a tailgate that can do both, like the double doozer Honda Ridgeline. Thank you guys. Have a great day.